సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Students, now we are going to discuss ultrasonics. Ultrasonics means ultra means heavy. Ultra means heavy and also very superior. Very superior. Ultra means very superior and heavy. Ultrasonics means some different heavy frequency, and super energy, just to call as super energy frequencies. Generally ultrasonics naturally sound waves or longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves means the propagation of waves, the direction of waves same direction, the propagation direction, and also their direction is same as those are called as longitudinal waves. So naturally and generally sound waves are longitudinal waves. So these longitudinal waves are three types. First one is the audible waves. Audible means audio. This word comes from audible waves. Second one, ultrasonic waves. Third one, infrasonic waves. So these three are all longitudinal sound waves. So generally or naturally sound waves are longitudinal waves. These longitudinal sound waves are three types. First one is audible waves, second one is ultrasonic waves, third one is infrasonic waves. Generally the frequency range which can stimulate the human ear and brain. So what is the audible? Audible means the frequency range which can stimulate of human ear and brain. Okay, audible range means the frequency range which can stimulate the human ear and brain to the sensation of hearing. So audible range means which frequency range is the sensation of hearing. That is called as audible waves. Audible waves means the frequency range which can stimulate the human ear and brain to the sensation of hearing. This range in between 20 Hz and 20 kilohertz. This range between 20 hertz and 20 kilohertz. These waves are called edible waves. These waves are called edible waves. That means edible range means 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. 20 kilohertz. So this range is edible. This range is edible. This range is the stimulate the human ear and brain to the sensation of hearing. Sensation of hearing. Because 20 hertz means the vibrations for 1 second 20 vibrations. 20 vibrations per 1 second. 20 vibrations is hearing sensation, and also 1 second 20 kilohertz is the 20 kilohertz is the sensation of hearing. So this range is called as edible waves. Edible waves. Second one is ultrasonic waves. Second one is ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves means higher than generally 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz is the edible range. Edible range. Above 20 kilohertz are called ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves. So the sound waves are of frequency higher than 20 kilohertz are called ultrasonic waves. So the sound waves of frequency higher than 20 kilohertz are called ultrasonic waves. Generally ultrasonic waves are not edible. So ultrasonic waves are not stimulate the human ear and not sensation of the hearing. So higher than 20 kilohertz are ultrasonic waves. These waves are not edible. These waves are not edible. Only these waves are hearing of only dogs, birds, bees are sensitive for these waves. Okay. Third one is the infrasonic waves. Generally edible range means 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Above 20 kilohertz is ultrasonic waves. Below 20 hertz are infrasonic waves. So edible range is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Higher than 20 kilohertz are ultrasonic waves. Lower than 20 hertz infrasonic waves. Infrasonic waves are the sound waves of frequency. The sound waves are of frequency lower than 20 hertz are called infrasonic waves. So generally our topic is only ultrasonic waves. So the definition of the ultrasonic waves is the sound waves of frequency higher than 20 kilohertz are called ultrasonic waves. Okay, the wavelengths of ultrasonic waves are very small compared to edible sounds, because the wavelengths lengths of ultrasonic waves are very small, because their frequency is very high. Their frequency is very high. So wavelengths are very small. Wavelengths are very small. Okay, the wavelengths of ultrasonic waves are very small, but frequency is very high, very high. So generally the properties of ultrasonics. So the properties of ultrasonics, ultrasonic waves possesses high energy. High energy. Ultrasonics possesses high energy. It means ultrasonics have very high energy, because their frequency is very high, very high. So the property of first property is ultrasonics possess high energy, high energy. And also they exhibits ultrasonics exhibits, and it means ultrasonics exhibits means ultrasonic shows all properties of sound waves, all properties of sound waves. What are the properties of sound waves? General properties is the reflection and refraction and absorption, absorption and also diffraction. So these properties are exhibits. So the ultrasonics exhibits all properties of sound waves. That properties of sound waves are reflection, refraction, absorption, diffraction. So we take something. The ultrasonics are coming from these. So the sound waves are reflected back, and also refracted, and also absorption in that medium, and also diffraction. So these are general properties of sound waves. And also ultrasonics exhibits all properties of sound waves. That all properties of sound waves are reflection and refraction, absorption and also diffraction. Okay, next, ultrasonics can be transmitted over long distance. Ultrasonics transmitted over long distances with extremely low loss of energy, because we can have to find the depth of sea. We can have find the depth of sea. So released the ultrasonic waves. So touch the bottom of sea and reflected, then we find the depth of sea. So it means they can be transmitted over long distance with extremely low loss of energy, low loss of energy, because the ultrasonics have high energy of frequencies. They can be transmitted over long distances with extremely low loss of energy. Okay, next of all, ultrasonics produces heating effect. Ultrasonics produces heating effect while passing in any material. passing any material. So just like ultrasonics passes through some another material. So the ultrasonics shows heating effect because they have high energy. Okay, then high energy of waves are passes through any substances or any material. They release the heating. So next property, the speed of propagation of ultrasonic waves depends on frequency. Speed or velocity of propagation of these ultrasonic waves depends upon frequency. So already we know that speed of or velocity of ultrasonics depends upon frequency because increase of frequency, increase of velocity, some example. For example, you find the depth of sea, the ultrasonics have to touch the depth of bottom of the sea. So they have to be heavy energy and also heavy frequency. So increase of frequency, increase of velocity, increase of velocity. So speed of propagation of these waves depends upon frequency. The velocity of ultrasonics increases in frequency. Next, they form bubbles. While passes through liquids. So the ultrasonics passes through liquids. They form bubbles in liquids. And also ultrasonics waves can't travel through vacuum. The ultrasonics they can't travel through vacuum. And also ultrasonic waves produces cavitations. Ultrasonic waves produce cavitations effect. Cavitation effects means limitations and also defects. These defects and also these cavitations used in decreasing and clearing soldering in aluminum. The cavitation effect used in decreasing and clearing and soldering of aluminum. Cavitations means defects. The ultrasonic waves produce the defects. For example, the ultrasonic waves passes through some material or some solid or some substances. Here cavitations are produced or defects are produced. Next, the ultrasonics show very negligible diffraction, small diffraction. The generally already we know that reflection and refraction and transmission and diffraction shows ultrasonics, but here ultrasonics diffraction is very negligible. Diffraction effect is show. So finally ultrasonic waves are having frequency greater than, this is the very important property, greater than 20 kilohertz. So this is the very important property of ultrasonic waves. Generally audible range is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Ultrasonics is above 20 kilohertz. Infrasonics are below 20 hertz. So this is the 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. This is the audible. So below 20 hertz is the infrasonics, above 20 kilohertz ultrasonics. Properties of ultrasonics. Ultrasonics possess high energy. They exhibit all properties of sound waves like reflection, refraction and absorption. They can be transmitted over long distances with extremely low loss of energy. They produce heating effect while passing in material. Speed of propagation of these waves depends on frequency. Velocity of ultrasonics increases with increase in frequency. They form bubbles while passing through liquids. Ultrasonic waves can't travel through vacuum. Ultrasonic waves produce cavitation effect when passed through some solids. This effect used in decreasing, clearing, soldering of aluminium. Ultrasonics show very negligible diffraction due to their small wavelengths. Ultrasonic waves are sound waves having frequency greater than 20 kHz.